So today we're going to mark out the neck of our ukulele. We're going to cut multiple pieces and glue it up something like this, which then we can cut our shape. You can cut our shape from. This just saves a bit of timber as opposed to cutting it out of a solid sort of block of wood. If you look at the plans, you're going to be given a bit of timber 660 millimeters long by 65 by 22 millimeters wide. And from there, I just want you to follow the plans carefully and mark out your pieces. You're going to need a tri-square, a rule and a pencil to do this. And using the thumb, 3 fingers, pointy finger method, I've just come in about sort of 5 or 6 millimeters there, marked off some waste. My first member that I'm going to mark off is a 60 mil piece. I'm going to mark off 60 mil, tri-square another line, leave 5 or 6 millimeters of waste in between each piece, and follow the plan along to get your members. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in total. So you're going to have 2 60 millimeter pieces. These bits aren't that critical in length. They have to be at least 60 millimeters, but it doesn't really matter if they're a little bit longer. The critical bit one is the 400 mil one. This is going to be the length of the fretboard, and it's really important that that is 400 millimeters long. So make sure you double check your measurements on this one, 400 mil. The last piece at the other end is 110 millimeters long. Mark them all out, and at that point go back and check all your lines are the right measurement. Check that all the lines are nice and square with your tri-square. And at this point I'm also going to write my name on each piece. Before I cut my work, I'm going to put my name on each piece, and I'm going to number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Later on, when I cut the pieces up and I can orientate those pieces back, I can actually get the numbers back in the right order, opposed to sort of getting them in the wrong order. Doesn't seem like a big thing, but it will make sense in the next video that's coming up shortly.